What a wonderful world. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. I am really sorry for the weird lighting. This is the only place we could film. So basically it is my dad's 50th birthday. It's going to be tomorrow, but I thought it would be a wiser idea to start the vlog today because tomorrow is going to be very chaotic. By the way, this is my cousin sister Kashish. Hi. If you don't already know her. So tomorrow is my dad's 50th birthday. We are here at the Happy Place Villas and yeah, we've planned a really cute surprise for him. For the first time in my life, we've called for a party planning, yeah, like a professional team to come and decorate, because I mean we could have done it for sure ourselves, but we wanted it to be super grand and I don't think we could have been able to pull that off. So we're here in the car just to give you guys an intro because of course I don't want to talk in front of others, I mean my dad, and ruin the surprise. So anyway, I don't think I'm gonna vlog today as such. I might give him his birthday gift tonight. I'll show you what it is. I don't want to do it in front of everyone because फिर वो original reaction नहीं capture कर पाऊंगी. So maybe आज रात को करूंगी. What do you think? Should we do it tonight?
What do I think is let's go to Alibag. Cake में डलवा देते हैं.
No, I'm not doing that. It's an iPhone. I'm not putting it in.
No, the entire box.
In the cake.
केक में ना बीच में खड्डा होता है. उसमें बॉक्स रखना है पूरा प्लास्टिक में रैप करके. और जब काटेंगे तो अटकेगा नाइफ. तो फिर वो
ये नहीं कर रहे. ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर. ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहे. Anyway, coming back to what was I even saying? कि हाँ, there's not like anything that we have to do as such because we have allotted all the work to the company. As such, हमें कुछ करना नहीं है other than पैसे देने का काम. By the way, I will link the details of the company that I'm using. This is the first time that I'm also using it, so we don't know how it's gonna go. Really crossing my fingers that everything goes well. My dad's calling me literally as we vlog. Hello. केम सू था यू? अच्छा, okay, हाँ मैं गाड़ी में भेजे आज. Okay, bye. He got a message on his phone that was sitting.
So cool.
We've been here at THP since the last 4 days and all we've been doing is waking up, eating, sleeping, and my favorite part has been drinking nariyal pani every single day. That's my favorite part. Kashish should tell you guys her favorite part.
Washing the car.
Yeah, so she just washed the car and she washed it last time also na जब हम लोग आए थे, and she loved it, so she did it again.
I love doing it.
Okay, so checking in after 2 hours. Kashish and I were filming for Ski On. We've changed a little bit right now because hoodies में बहुत गर्मी लग रही थी. But now we are going to Ajay because we need to buy some things for manicure, pedicure, facial. और क्या बस ना इतना ही ना.
Tell them what Ajay is.
Yeah, so Ajay, last time if you haven't watched my vlogs, Ajay is our savior. You get everything here. If you ever happen to come to the Happy Place Villas, if you need anything, you'll find everything. It's like a supermarket. So we're going there to buy ये सारा like सामान, facial ka saman and all that. So basically we're going to be giving my dad a facial and we're going to be telling him that that's the surprise, that's our gift from our end, and that's it. So yeah, let's go to Ajay. In the meanwhile, my mom is making some sort of क्या बोलते हैं इसको, scrapbook. Show some nice pictures. बताओ. This is one really nice pic. पची एक अजी बता.
This.
ये भी अच्छी है काफी. This is cute. मम्मी
and this
पापा
also in the pen, which is the wallpaper.
Yeah, this is my wallpaper. मस्त है ना?
दिखा.
Okay, so we have our wine ready and we also have some cheese right here. So this is what we're gonna give him and tell him ki kya the surprise is. He loves like being pampered, so I think this is the perfect way to start his birthday. Are you ready?
For what?
Small surprise.
Small nahi, only surprise. This is the only gift you're gonna get.
Cheese and wine.
Wow.
So we are gonna give you a pampering session. Pedicure, manicure, facial.
Head chumpy.
Head chumpy तो नहीं दे सकते, but हाँ. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied.
So it is 12 o'clock and we're giving him the gift. We're not cutting a cake because we cut it yesterday also and we're gonna be cutting it tomorrow also. So let's go see his reaction. One more
Wow.
gift.
आ गया finally.
The next day.
So it is the next day. तू ऐसे क्या बीच में नाड़ा लगा दिया? So welcome to the next day. Today is the day of my dad's birthday. Nothing much has happened सुबह से. He's just been swimming. Unfortunately, I can't go in the pool because of my wound. But yeah, that's all that's been happening. The decoration wale company wale people should come any minute at this point because I think they are running a little bit late. So I really hope they're here ASAP, and then I'll explain to you what we like planned out. They're here. What time is it? It is 4 o'clock and the party is supposed to begin at 5:30. I don't know how they're going to pull it off, but either way, this is where we're going to set up the LED light which says happy birthday, and then the big LED numbers which say 5 and 0. With the balloon, what is it called? Balloon arch. And then here, next to the pool, we're going to be setting up the seating area. I'm sorry if I'm going to have to whisper, and also I'm going to have to wear the mask for the rest of the clips while they're setting up. But yeah, that's the plan so far. I'm really excited. I'm really crossing my fingers. This is the first time that I'm getting this done, so I'm very nervous. Okay, so quickly taking a break from the whole setup and overlooking the whole thing, I thought it was a nice idea that I got ready as they like set the whole thing up, because filhal mera kuch kaam nahi. I just need to overlook what's happening. So I thought while they're setting up, I should get ready. So I quickly went ahead and washed my face, and in order to wash my face, I used this face wash by Mamaearth. This is their vitamin C face wash, and this has vitamin C and turmeric in it. My skin feels really nice and really clean. If you want like a no fuss face wash, definitely check this out. It will give your skin like a beautiful glow from within. I think it's probably because of the vitamin C in it. So if you didn't already know, every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 they are aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of their initiative. Other than that, all Mamaearth products are toxin free and made of natural ingredients. I'm gonna top this up with my Skin Illuminate serum. If you remember, this was the serum that I used to use literally every single day, and then I ran out of it. Finally, I'm back on to using it. Very, very lightweight, doesn't break me out, and also great base for makeup. I am going to be doing like a full-on glam look right now. Nothing new, very basic makeup look that I do literally every single day. So I'm not going to show you what I'm doing because, as I said, I do it all the time. But I am thinking of doing like a different colored liner. Let's see how that goes. I hope it doesn't end up looking like a fail. But if you guys want to check out these products, you can use my code MRIDUL2021 to get a 20% off on Mamaearth.in. Other than that, all Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So I'm ready. My makeup is done and everything, like the setup is also coming together. I don't love my makeup. I do want to change it up, but I don't think I have the time to do it. But I think the setup so far looks pretty promising. I really hope that it comes out like all together by the end of it.
Later.
Minutes before the surprise. Are you ready? Any guesses? Good, no guesses.
No, I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Out for a few minutes, done with everything for the most part. I think it went quite smooth. In the process, lost one nail from each hand, but that's okay. Actually, Kashish, come in the frame. There isn't one frame in this whole video where Kashish isn't a part. So let's not break the chain. What do you think? How did it go so far?
It is going very well.
It is going very well. So far so good. Yeah.
Without any
hiccups. I mean there was one hiccup, but that's okay. Now we're just waiting for food. I think I'm really excited for that because that last meal कब खाया? दोपहर को 1 बजे खाया था वही.
और वो भी दाल चावल.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So मुझे याद आया तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ मेरा outfit. This is what it looks like. So this outfit is from Shein. So unfortunately you can't buy it. But it's so cute. This is the first time that I'm wearing it. I bought this like over a year ago. I'm actually gonna show you Kashish's outfit also because it's so cute. Okay, so Kashish का outfit breakdown मैं फटफट दे देती हूँ. अंदर का जो shimmery dress है that is from H&M. She bought this few years ago and it surprisingly fits everyone literally. And then this jacket is from
Sarojini.
Sarojini. कितने का लाई?
200.
Wow, so good.
The next day.
So it is the next day. I didn't get a chance to end the vlog last night because everything was just happening so fast and it was so chaotic. But I do want to end the vlog with all the details because I know a lot of you who are watching the video might potentially want to get a similar setup done for either, I mean, someone in your family or your friends. So I got this done from this Instagram store. I will link their handle right here. And they charged me 30k for the whole setup. This was not sponsored or there was no like tie-up of any sorts. I paid for the whole thing, and she said that it was a little bit more expensive because it was here in Alibag, so the transportation was, I think, really expensive. But other than that, total I paid 30,000, which I mean, I think is worth it because it turned out really beautiful and I think it's worth it for me personally. Talking about the actual things that they brought, so the 50 wala jo number tha was made of thermocol. I was expecting it to be a little bit more sturdy, but to be very honest, when you actually look at it, like when you look at the whole setup, you can't even tell ki it's made of thermocol. Similarly, the chaddar on the beds, the floor beds जो थे उसकी चद्दर भी थोड़ी सी फटी हुई थी, थोड़ा सा quality was ऊपर नीचे. But again, when you look at the whole thing, you can't even notice like those minute details. But I did want to throw it out there because if you're going to be investing your money in a company, if you're going to be investing so much of money in a setup, you should know that. So I will of course leave their Instagram page. I think it's worth it. I think I will contact them in the future as well if there are any other events coming up. I would give it a thumbs up personally. So I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this very different video. I think so far all the like birthday surprises that we've filmed together and shown to you guys have been done by us. It's been a DIY. So this was the first time we outsourced and I think it was a pretty pleasant experience and I will recommend it to you guys. If there's anything else that I've forgotten to mention, definitely let me know in the comments down below because I honestly don't know how this vlog is gonna turn out because everything was happening so fast and I was so anxious during the whole process. So I don't know कितना मैंने film कर पाई हूँ, कितना कैसा होगा edit में, all of that. I'm gonna try to of course really bring everything together in post production. But I think that's basically it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.